So by now we've all heard of Google's new flagship device, the Pixel 4. This device, however, is the first flagship smartphone to have a bezel-hogging radar sensor. With this radar sensor, you can pause and play your music without touching your display. With all that said though, what if I told you I was able to recreate the same thing using Google's original Pixel device? You can do this too. Stick around and I'll show you how you can do this too using any Android smartphone. So, to start this off, you're going to want to grab any phone running Android. My Pixel here is running the beta version of Android 10. But this technique should work on any Android device. To run this program, we're going to need to download a free app from the Play Store called Automate. This app is going to need root access to your device. So, if you're one of those privacy people, this isn't going to be for you. Anyways, now all of us Brave users can continue. You're going to want to download the app and install it. Once it's done installing, you can go ahead and open it. You can see here, my screen doesn't look the same as yours at this point. That's because I already had it downloaded and the program installed. But what you're going to want to do is click on the little button on the top with the people. This takes you to Automate's community. Here, users can upload any automated programs they come up with. So, click the magnifying glass and type in Pixel 4 Radar. Make sure the software you download is by Daily 3D Printed, because any user can upload malicious software that could harm your device. Next, click on it and click Download. Once it downloads, you should be able to click on it, but make sure you give it access to allow notifications under the privileges. Next, click Start, and your program will be running. Now, your outdated phone can have the most recent features released by Google for flagship devices. Just hold your hand over the sensor, and you can pause and play your music, just like with the Pixel 4's radar sensor. Now, a lot of you are probably saying, okay, that's cool, but how does it work? So, we can go ahead and open up the program here, click on the little pencil and flowchart, and you can see the software that's running in the background. I use this app to create this program, which uses your phone's built-in proximity sensor. This sensor is in most smartphones and is used for phone calls. When you put your phone up to your ear during the call, it can sense that your device is close to your face, and it turns the screen off so that way your face doesn't accidentally end the call. Our program, however, uses that same sensor to sense whenever your hand is above the display, and then it pauses and plays your music. To play your music, just hold your hand over the device, and it should start playing. Then just hold it back over the device and it should pause. Now it is pretty simple compared to Google's complex radar system, but it's cool that something as old as the original Pixel can do something with much simpler electronics that the new Pixel 4 can do. Maybe someone at Google will watch this video and make it in an optional update to use this same kind of software. Anyways, in the end, it's a pretty fun app to mess around with and write cool programs. If you give it root access, it has access to all your phone's built-in sensors like temperature, barometer, gyroscopes, accelerometers. It's pretty much endless. I've made some pretty cool other programs and it's a fun thing to mess around with in your free time. However, I wouldn't recommend leaving this app running all the time, as whenever you want to put your phone in your pocket, it still can pause and play your music, as you just saw. If you tried this out or improved upon this program, I would love to know down in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.